Hello fellow collectors. Welcome back to another episode of Studio 64. Today, we're going to unbox and feature for you a new release from Tarmac Works under the Global 64 line. The Vertex Silvia S14 in the light green variant. First, I'd like to thank our friends from Tarmac Works for sending me this model to be featured for you all. Moreover, it's not a sponsored video, hence my review of this model is unbiased. Model comes in this new Global 64 packaging. A simple box cutout. For all you Tarmac Works collectors, you'll notice that unlike previous models, this doesn't come in a reusable blister pack. Box is pretty simple and direct, with this artwork of the car at the back, and model info with the official license marking below. Unboxing is pretty straightforward. Model is secured by a plastic clamshell, similar to Mini GTs and Tomica Limited Vintage. But this does have an extra layer of protection. Model is actually screwed onto the plastic shell. Interesting. First impression I have on this model is, it's really green. The paintwork is pretty clean. Has the right amount of gloss, but not too glossy. Has a premium feel to it because of the weight. This is a new tooling for Tarmac Works, and I must say, it's pretty nice. They capture the real Nissan S14 very well. Proportions seem correct, as well as the wheelbase and the low drift stance. You definitely feel the 90s vibe on this model. This particular S14 is customized by a Vertex drift body kit, handmade in Japan. It's actually based from a real-world S14. Hence the name of the model. This is under the Global 64 line of Tarmac Works, so this model has the rolling wheels, but with less detail. And with that in mind, let's check out how this model rolls. Wow, this model rolls so smoothly. No wobble, nothing disaligned, just one smooth roll. It's even smoother than one of my best castings, the Pagani Zonda R, which is also a Global 64 line as well by the way. Let's now get in closer to check out the details of this model. Beginning with the wheels, this Silvia S14 sports a chrome star-shaped rim. It has the lug nuts detail, and 2 layers of lathe on the outer lip. The slick tires are made of rubber. The tampo graphics on this model is few and a bit discreet. At least for a drift car that is. Nevertheless, they're quite readable, and pretty accurate to the real car. Side mirrors are pretty detailed. A bit rough on the edges but still acceptable. It has a reflective sticker insert, and the rear is incredibly true to the real car. Though I would prefer if it were colored green as well. Headlight plastic inserts are clean and fairly detailed where sections inside can be seen. Oh, and the exposed silver intercooler is a really nice touch. We can even see the connecting pipes on the sides. Neat. Interior of this Nissan Silvia is blacked out. Though there are some detail inside, like the steering wheel and the bucket seat, can't really see much cause it's too dark. Looking again at the exterior, I think it would have been better if the wide body kit was a bit wider. I mean, it's a Vertex Silvia S14 after all. I think the front and rear fenders can be widened a bit more. And the side skirts can be more pronounced. Just thinking aloud. Moving to the rear end of this Silvia S14, it has a one-piece plastic molding that comprises the tail lights and the rear center panel. It's painted in black but has the tail light section unpainted, to show what seems to be another plastic molding inside, with the colors of the tail lights. The rear window has this rear windshield wiper detail. It's not a separate part, but part of the plastic rear windshield molding painted in black. This rear spoiler is a separate part and is made of plastic. Kinda fragile as well, so do be careful handling the model from this end. Part of the premium feel of any diecast is because of a metal base. This model is no exception. The base is made of metal that is painted glossy black. Does have some under chassis detail on it, with the silver exhaust tailpipe as the highlight. And there you have it. The Vertex Nissan Silvia S14, by Tarmac Works under their Global 64 line. A new tooling from Tarmac Works, this Nissan Silvia S14 is a very welcome surprise. I must admit, at first glance of this model it didn't really stir my excitement. But upon unboxing it, feeling the weight on my hand, seeing a clean and well-made casting, topped it off with a really smooth roll, I was sold. Apart from what I just mentioned, other strong points of this tooling include the finer details like the rims, side mirrors, and the lights. I can see this model not just played, but used for really serious diecast photography. This is a winner in my opinion. What do you guys think? As always, do leave your comments below. Oh, and for those who are new to the channel, and enjoy this video, hit that like button and do consider subscribing and hit the notification button as well, for more 1/64 diecast video reviews. Thanks for watching. I do hope to see you again in our future episodes. Till then, be safe.